In the previous video I showed how to generate a cam profile in MD Pro. I will show you how to optimize the mechanism or the cam profile in a later video. For now, let's assume it's good and we are ready to export it to SolidWorks, ultimately for manufacture. First, we need to add a cam data output function block to our model and make it reference the cam just created. This form shows the cam data before it is sent to SolidWorks. Now generate the data from the cam. The data can be generated in many formats and accuracies. In this case, I will ask for 1000 points uniformly spaced in machine time. Open SolidWorks with a cam blank and in MD Pro press the SolidWorks icon. Data will transfer in a few seconds and a curve will appear in SolidWorks. Then repeat for the other cam profile. Now in SolidWorks, make a sketch on the front face of the cam. Create a sketch spline of the profile by using Convert Entities, and finally extrude a cut. So the cam profiles have been transferred into a SolidWorks cam blank part. The cam profile can be used as part of a cam mate in SolidWorks. The next video will show you how to add gears to your mechanism.